Hey everybody, this is Miss Tammy's Rats for the Fidget Cube. Spots 1 and spot 2 each get a cube. We have 20 spots that want a spot. We are going live at 10:53. We're going to roll the dice 4 or higher. We have a 10. Here we go, 10 times at 10:53. Ninth time, we have me on the top and Miss Cassandra on bottom. We randomized it 9 times. The dice calls for a 10. Here we go, final time, 10:53. Good luck, everybody. Miss Cassandra and Miss Tara are the winners with spots number 4 and 7. Congratulations. We have 20 names on the list. We randomized it 10 times. The dice does call for a 10. And we are done. Final timestamp 10:53. Just turned 10:54. Congratulations, winners, and thanks everybody for helping us build Miss Tammy.